MacLeod here, and today I'm at Mill Hollow to go fishing again. This is one of my favorite places to go fishing, and I'm really excited today because the water's all nice and the sun is amazing. It's the perfect temperature, and I'm here with Kira, and let's hope we catch some fish. I'm using worm for bait. This is my personal favorite bait to use. There's a fish that popped up right by my hook. Let's hope it takes the bait. Got one! Look how amazing that is. Hey, my little fish buddy. Look how beautiful that is. It's very cute. I love it. My first fish of the day. And this time I was using PowerBait. And it ate. Ah! Yeah! Okay. There goes me bait. Alright guys, so me and my sister had an amazing day fishing, and we have caught our limit of fish right here. And we've caught a lot of them, and it was a lot of fun to catch them. And we are ready to take all this home. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you all for watching. Bye!